Merry Christmas.
Okay, does anybody want to give a guess as to what's fixing to start up in this skillet? We got some sugar, some cocoa and flour, some milk, I'm going to give that a stir. Start kind of mixing it up. Y'all, this is the last week before the week of Christmas. We're heading right into the weekend. And there's so many things going on for a whole lot of people next week. Lots of fun. I hope you have a lot of parties, a lot of get-togethers, a lot of time with family, friends. But make sure you remember the reason for the season, which is Jesus. And take some time for yourself, just to slow down and breathe, and take in the moment. And don't eat too much. Now I got this stirred up quite a bit. I'm going to add in 6 egg yolks. Anybody want to guess yet? If you guessed chocolate pie, you are absolutely correct. My kiddos are coming up for supper. Coming over, I should say, instead of up. I'm making up a chocolate pie. Fixing to fry up some chicken. Homemade buttermilk biscuits, mashed potatoes, gravy, mac and cheese. Probably throw in some green beans. Just gonna have a nice time with family around the dinner table. So, that being said, I'm gonna stir up this stuff in the skillet until it thickens up. And I will be back with you shortly. Alright, we are thickening up and bubbling. Keep stirring it. The creamy chocolate. Let it get just a little bit thicker before I cut the heat. I love a good chocolate pie. Make sure you get it good and thick before you pull it off. That way it helps when you're wanting it to set up. That looks pretty good right there. I'm going to throw in a whole stick of real butter, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, let that start melting on down. And I'm going to scoot it back here to the back burner. And let it set for a second. And start to cool. And we will pour in the pie crust. Alright, so for this meringue, I'll put in 6 egg yolks. And let those things start whipping up. And throw in about a 1/4 teaspoon of cream of tartar. A teaspoon of vanilla. And I'm going to crank it up even higher. Slowly start adding a 1/2 cup of sugar. Now I'm just going to let it beat the mess out of it until it gets stiff. Well, that didn't take long. Look there. Nice and stiff, just like I want it. So as soon as that pie crust gets done, I'm fixing to pour that pudding in there and fixing to put this on the top, and in the oven it's going to go. Pie's in the crust. The pudding is in the crust. Look at this meringue. We're just going to pile it on top. Try to keep from losing any of it. Man, it's got really thick. Anyway, we're going to pile this on top. Start smoothing it out. I'll be back in just a second. Alright, so I got the meringue on, and you want to make sure you have a tight seal around the edges of your pan. So we'll put it in the oven at 350 for about 10 to 15 minutes, and we will see you then. Alright, so the pie's done. Let it cool, and we'll slice a piece. I sure hope you enjoyed today's video. I hope you like, comment, share, and subscribe. I hope you have a great weekend. Catch you guys later.